All right, now that we have the shaft part attached to the small base, we want to attach the small base to the large base. So we're going to do basically the same thing we just did. Center it on there, lay down some strips of tape so that we can reference it, lift it up just a little bit, mark a hole with a little pencil, come in with the small drill a hole in there, 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 and turn the assembly upside down. And line up some screws. Now this is a little bit tricky because you have to do it upside down. So I'm going to find my original screw holes here. Line it up nice. And screw the large base to the small base. Now we basically have the body of the lamp built.